Hello, hello, my fellow green thumbs. How are you all doing today? I hope you're ready to get your hands dirty and your taste buds tingling because we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Welcome back to the Bearded Garden. It's always a pleasure to have you here, sharing in the joys of gardening and discovering new ways to make our gardens not just beautiful but also functional. Today we're diving headfirst into a bloom-filled world you might not have considered munching on before. Edible flowers. Yes, you heard me right. Flowers you can eat. These vibrant, colorful blooms are not just eye candy, they can be a delightful addition to your meals. Imagine surprising your guests with a salad sprinkled with bright petals or a dessert adorned with delicate blossoms. It's not just about the aesthetics. These flowers bring unique flavors and textures to your dishes. So why would anyone want to eat flowers? Well, apart from looking fabulous on your plate, these little beauties pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. They are nature's way of adding a little extra nutrition to your diet. Let's start with the classic nasturtiums. These vibrant peppery blooms are not just Instagram gold, but they're also rich in vitamin C. Perfect for boosting your immune system. Think of them as nature's multivitamin. Nasturtiums are incredibly versatile. You can use the leaves, flowers, and even the seeds, which can be pickled and used as a substitute for capers. They add a peppery kick to salads, sandwiches, and even pasta dishes. Next up, we've got calendula, or as I like to call it, the poor man's saffron. These golden petals are anti-inflammatory and great for your skin, so if you're feeling a bit meh, sprinkle some calendula on your salad and glow like the flower child you are. Calendula is also known for its healing properties. It's often used in creams and balms to soothe irritated skin. You can even make a soothing tea with the petals to help with digestive issues. And let's not forget the stunning borage. This under-the-radar star is fantastic for relieving stress and anxiety. Feeling the pressure of life? Brew a cup of borage tea and let those vibrant blue stars work their magic. Borage is also known for its cucumber-like flavor, making it a refreshing addition to summer drinks and salads. The flowers can be candied and used to decorate cakes and desserts, adding a touch of elegance to your culinary creations. All right, now that you're sold on eating flowers, let's talk growing. You don't need to be Monty Don to cultivate these beauties. Nasturtiums are a dream. They'll grow just about anywhere. They love poor soil and sunny spots, and they're perfect for pots and borders. For calendula, think of it like a sunflower's less needy cousin. Plant them in well-drained soil, give them a sunny spot, and they'll reward you with blooms from spring till frost. Deadhead regularly to keep them flowering. Borage, on the other hand, is the free spirit of the garden. It self-seeds like crazy, so plant it once and you're set for life. Just give it plenty of sunlight and a bit of space and it'll do the rest. But here's a quick word of caution, folks. Not all flowers are edible. Some can be toxic, so always double-check before adding them to your meals. Make sure you're picking the right ones and avoid any that have been treated with pesticides. Well, there you have it. A blooming good reason to add flowers to your diet. Not only will you be eating healthier, but your garden will look smashing too. Imagine the joy of picking fresh flowers from your garden and using them to create beautiful, nutritious meals. Stay healthy, my friends, and be well. Until next time, this is The Bearded Garden. Signing off, keep blooming and keep growing. And remember, gardening is not just a hobby, it's a way of life. It's about connecting with nature, nurturing life, and reaping the rewards of your hard work. So get out there, plant some flowers, and enjoy the fruits, or should I say flowers, of your labor. Happy gardening, everyone. See you in the next episode of The Bearded Garden. Until then, keep those green thumbs busy and your gardens blooming. Cheers. And don't forget to share your gardening adventures with us. We love seeing your beautiful gardens and hearing your stories. Take care and happy planting. Remember, a garden is a friend you can visit anytime, so make it a place of beauty and nourishment. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your gardens always be in full bloom. Goodbye for now. See you soon. Take care and happy gardening. Until next time, keep blooming and keep growing. See you soon. Stay healthy, my friends, and be well. Until next time, this is The Bearded Garden, signing off.